Nobody has done the kind of damage the APC government has done to this country. I don't know how we will recover. I honestly don't. For us, my heart is beating that by the time President Atiku gets in, we will not be able to sleep day and night. As I speak to you today, the debt of this country, of our country, is going to 60 trillion. When are we going to get out of it? Every day, every month, they're printing. When I spoke more than a year ago, I did not know it was as bad as this. What they have done, what will happen to the Naira, only God will help us. They have destroyed the basis of this country. Now they are shouting, everybody has withdrawn children from school. Nobody's going to work or school in Abuja today because there's a threat. That is what they have done. They have threatened the existence of this country. And by the grace of God, our candidate will win. We will bring back Nigeria. We will unify this country. We will reduce the differences we have. And we'll begin to build our country to what God said we should be. Our politics today is about our survival. It's not about what we eat now. Because if we focus on what we eat today, tomorrow we'll die. So whatever sacrifice we must make in this election, we must make it to change the future of this country. This election is an existential one for us. It is not like the politics we used to play. So this election is ours to lose. Because I don't see any other person in the horizon. People who say they are obedient, of course, let them be, but they will run out of steam. We know how to manage elections. How many people have been able to do what we are doing? They can't even form their campaign council, not to talk about having a timetable for elections. We shouldn't worry about what is going on. There's no division in our party. A few people may be aggrieved, but fundamentally, everybody is working for PDP. True or false? So let us not get distracted anymore. Let us just keep our eyes on the ball and move.